Other pests. The Food and Agricultural Organization of the United Nations estimates that 40% of crops worldwide are damaged or destroyed by pests each year. Agricultural pests are classified into 4 groups: vertebrate pests, including mammals, reptiles, and birds; insect pests, insects, spiders, slugs; diseases, pathogens due to viruses, bacteria, fungi, nematodes, etc.; weeds, any plant growing out of place. This section will review the first category of pests, while our next unit will review the last. Vertebrate pests. In West Africa, vertebrate pests that pose threats to crops include mice, rats, moles, and other rodents; reptiles such as snakes, vipers, and geckos; small animals such as bats, rabbits, and squirrels; larger animals such as hogs, monkeys, pangolins, deer, and antelope; birds such as guinea fowl and quelea birds, shown below. Use your previous knowledge of agriculture to hypothesize the damage these pests might cause. Do these pests have any potential benefits? Discuss. Damage by vertebrate pests includes direct and indirect crop damage, such as digging up newly sown and/or germinating seeds, feeding on saplings and young plants, trampling and/or feeding on seeds, flowers, and fruits during and after growth, diminished quality and quantity of crop yield due to damage of immature and mature plants, pathogens and insect pests carried into the fields by the vertebrates. As vertebrate pests are natural predators of some insect pests, some can prove to be helpful if their presence is highly monitored and regulated. As with other options for pest control, consider your crop, pest, and potential for reinfestation prior to determining a method. Your local, state, or federal governments may also have guidelines for which methods can be used. Damage by vertebrate pests can be prevented, treated, or controlled by scaring devices, chemical repellents, habitat fumigation, removal, or manipulation, including proper agricultural hygiene and sanitation practices, decoy food sources, barriers, including exclusion fencing or netting, baiting and trapping, followed by release or euthanization.